Hello friends, welcome to Health Music and Fitness channel. Today I will show you how to install a SSD drive in your Alienware laptop. I have this 2015 model Alienware 15R2 and it's a beautiful gaming laptop, and this is Roman and he is Beast. They'll always be here whenever I have to make a video. Anyway, we'll continue. And when you buy this laptop from Dell, you get a 118 GB SSD installed in it and a 1 TB HDD. But you can replace the HDD with the 1 TB or even 2 TB SSD, and which I will do eventually after some time. And there are two slots for SSD, and you can upgrade the previous SSD, or you can install another SSD in it. So let's start. I will open and show you. I have already installed, but I will just open the cover and show you the slots and how to do it. The first step is you have to switch off the laptop. It is very important. You have to be grounded, otherwise static electricity, it can ruin the RAM or your hard drives even, and that is very important. So we'll start, and first I will switch off the laptop. Just to show you, this is Alienware, and I'll close the lid, and it has beautiful colors, and Roman and Beast also want to see it. And this is the back side, so you have to unscrew them, and then gradually, gently you have to pull this lid out. Okay, so we'll open this and this screw. So this is the inside, and this is the hard drive, this is the SSD, and this is an extra slot for another SSD, and these are the RAMs. And you can install another SSD out here, or you can upgrade this to a 1 TB or 2 TB SSD. This is a hard drive. So this is the 512 GB SSD which I'm going to put, and when you purchase this laptop from Dell showroom, you don't get two SSDs, you get only one SSD. So you have to see these hinges, these points, and according to the status it has to be .m2 compatible. So you put like this, and out here the screw will come. Make sure you don't apply too much of pressure, just sufficient, and you come out. So you see the two SSDs, 1, 2, and the hard drive, and this is RAM. And now we'll put this cover. Gently you put it. So now we'll tighten the screws. So we were late, and we missed the BIOS setup. So make sure when you have to go into BIOS setup, when you start the computer, you have to keep on pressing F2 key. Usually it is F2 key or F10 or something, or Dell button, or a combination of that. Every system will show small thing out here. Press F2 to enter the BIOS. So for our laptop it is F2, and we'll just restart. Keep on pressing F2 key, keep on pressing, and we are into the BIOS. And so this is the hardware. So this is a Seagate, Samsung, and this new SSD which we have put, and this is 16 GB RAM, and this is NVIDIA GFX graphic card, 4 GB card, 980 GTX 980, and we will not change anything right now, and we'll restart. So the hard drive has been recognized, and we'll go into the Windows setup. Let the Windows boot. This is a beautiful gaming laptop, and if you are interested in video editing or gaming, this is one of the must buy laptops because it has a very powerful processor and a very good graphic card. Nowadays much more powerful graphic cards are there, Nvidia graphic cards, but it does all the work, all the heavy softwares you can run on it without a hitch. So this is how I go to the device manager. Right click on my computer and you click manage. So you can see the SSD has been recognized, and I had already installed it before, but just to show you I did the procedure again. So we go to disk management, and in disk management you will see the names. So these are the old drives which I had. This is the old drive. This is the initial SSD which came when I purchased this laptop. This is the new one, SSD 500 GB. So you can change the partitions, so like you can change the size, but we will not do anything right now, otherwise I will lose the data. And you can delete it, format it, and do everything. And to install it you will have to right click, and if this is already installed, and if it wasn't installed, it would give a option to format the hard drive, and then it will be recognizable in Windows, and you will be able to use in Windows. Without formatting into NTFS format, you won't be able to use the hard drive. And the data access speed is much faster in SSD compared to the other drive. So this is the STD. You can see the delay, but this is instant, very fast, and you will note a significant difference if you are using graphic designing or video editing tools. So the data transfer rate is what matters. Like I'm using DaVinci Resolve software to edit my videos and to do fine work on the color. So these softwares need a high fast data access and good amount of RAM and a good graphic card, so that when you render, the graphic card can take the load, and your CPU, computer CPU, actually doesn't go to 100% utilization, and that will save a lot of work. On a normal PC, what would take let us say 8 or 9 hours, in this laptop you will be able to finish in 20 or 30 minutes. So that much is the difference. So this was all about the installation of SSD, new SSD, and thank you for watching. And if you like the video, please like, comment and share, and keep visiting our channel and leave a thumbs up wherever you like our videos. If you have any suggestions, please leave that in your comments box, and I will try to make some video on that. Thank you for watching. Bye.